Today, we're making a delicious sandwich. For this recipe, we'll need an artichoke and a tomato. Of course, you can also make it with other ingredients. I'll list some alternatives in the comments. Once you add the ingredients, click Cook. Above the cooking pot, you'll see the timer showing how long until it's ready. While we wait, let's head over to the farm to harvest a mushroom and check how much it sells for. Wow, great price! I didn't realize it was this high, but I'll keep it for cooking later. I'll feed the animals now and then plant the seeds I still have left. Time to check on our cooking. And it's done! Let's collect our sandwich. This is what it looks like. Now, let's check the selling price. Not bad at all, but instead of selling, I'm going to claim one of the sandwich rewards. And we just got a reclaimer, which we can use later in the game. Thanks for watching. What would you make with an artichoke? Comment below and share your ideas. I might feature your recipe in the next video.